Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Human Diseases and Genes. In this video, I will discuss about Niemann-Pick disease. Niemann-Pick disease was first reported by Albert Niemann in 1914 and later further characterized by Ludwig Pick in the 1930s. Albert Niemann, a German pediatrician, described the case of an infant who had an enlarged liver and spleen and died in early childhood. He noticed the presence of abnormal lipid storage in tissues. Ludwig Pick, a German pathologist, expanded on Niemann's work by studying similar cases and identifying histological changes in tissue. He was the one who recognized it as a type of lipid storage disorder. Together, their names were used to define the disorder now known as Niemann-Pick disease, which is actually a group of inherited metabolic disorders. Niemann-Pick disease is a rare inherited disorder that affects the body's ability to metabolize lipids, that is fats and cholesterol, properly within cells. When the body can't break down these lipids, they accumulate in various organs like liver, spleen, lungs, bone marrow, and brain, leading to progressive damage. There are several types, each caused by different genetic mutations and each with its own severity. Type A and B, that is acid sphingomyelinase deficiency ASMD, and type C and D. Type A and B prevalence is 1 in 2,50,000 to 1 in 5 lakh live births, and type C and D prevalence is 1 in 1 lakh to 1 in 1,20,000 live births. The symptoms of Niemann-Pick disease vary depending on the type, that is A, B, or C, but they generally involve organ enlargement and or neurological problems due to the buildup of lipids. Symptoms of Niemann-Pick diseases are enlarged liver and spleen, that is hepatosplenomegaly, lung diseases, developmental delay, difficulty moving or walking. Type A Niemann-Pick disease is severe infantile form of acid sphingomyelinase deficiency. Symptoms appear within first few months of life. Symptoms are enlarged liver and spleen, failure to thrive, feeding difficulty, developmental delays, low muscle tone, carrying at 40 high, lung problems, severe neurodegeneration, and just occurs by type B, bronchial form of disease, and symptoms appear in childhood or adolescence. Symptoms include enlarged liver and short stature, lung disease, frequent infections leading to low platelet count, mild or no neurological involvement leading into adulthood, no with chronic illness. Type C Niemann-Pick disease, cholesterol trafficking disorder with onset in childhood to adolescence or even adulthood. Symptoms include balance and coordination problems like dyslexia, slurred speech, swallowing difficulty, vertical instability, back pain, cognitive decline or dementia like seizures, severe changes, hepatosplenomegaly, delayed developmental milestone and lung tissue. Type D is Niemann-Pick disease, similar to C, and now considered a subtype of C type. Type A and B disease caused by mutation in the sphingomyelin phosphodiesterase, that is SMD1, encoding the enzyme acid sphingomyelinase. Niemann-Pick type C are caused by mutation in NPC intracellular cholesterol transporter 1 and 2, that is NPC1 and the SMPD one is present on gene is present on short arm of chromosome 11 and P15.4 band, and it has 6 exons and spans approximately 5 km. As I have told, it includes the acid sphingomyelinase enzyme. ASM is a lysosomal enzyme essential for breaking down the lipid sphingomyelinase, a process vital for maintaining proper cellular function. The ASM protein includes a seposin domain which targets it to the lysosome and a metabolize genetic domain responsible for enzymatic mutations in the SMPD1 type A. The NPC1 gene is present on long arm of chromosome 16 and Q11212 band. The gene is about 47 kb long and contains 5 exons of various NPC gene is a large gene encoding a protein with 13 transmembrane domains and 3 large nucleotides, as well as a cytoplasmic receptor that binds cholesterol and specifically glycine from the exosome. The NPC2 gene is located on long arm protein at 241 band. Gene has 5 exons and encodes the NPC2 protein, which is a small soluble protein essential for intracellular cholesterol transport. The mature NPC2 protein is the 132 amino acid glycoprotein with a immunoglobulin-like feature sandwich fold, which forms a malleable binding site for protein. Mutations in this gene lead to Niemann-Pick syndrome characterized by cholesterol buildup cells due to the protein's inability to effectively. Niemann-Pick disease is diagnosed through a combination of clinical examination, enzymatic testing, specific biochemical tests, and genetic testing. A doctor will review medical history and conduct a physical examination looking for key symptoms such as hepatosplenomegaly, Jaundice, anemia, developmental delay, cognitive decline, ataxia, vertical supranuclear deficiency, etc. Enzymatic assays performed to measure the activity of the enzyme sphingomyelinase in white blood cells. Low activity indicates such lower biomarkers like oxysterols and bile acid metabolites are also being used to diagnose this type, especially in cases where enzymatic or HT tests are difficult to interpret. Tests such as liver electrophysiology or lung high resolution spectroscopy is used to assess the severity of organ involvement. Genetic testing confirms and identifies the mutations in SMPD1, NPC1, and NPC2. If there is a known family history of dementia, prenatal diagnosis should be done by amniotic or family. There is no cure for dementia, but treatment focus on supporting care and managing symptoms, including physical therapy, pain medication, and treatment for cancer. FDA approved drug named olipudase alpha, that is xenopozine, is used in type 2 Niemann-Pick. The medication is the deficiency enzyme. First, FDA-approved treatment for Niemann-Pick type 3 diseases. Miplifa, that is albumin, shows the progression of neurological symptoms. For type A and B, if low platelet count leads to bleeding episodes, blood transfusions and respiratory support will be provided for patients with affected lungs or breathing problems. Special diet or nutritional supplements may be swallowed become difficult, occupational and physical help patients maintain their ability to move, function and speak for as long as possible. This is all about Niemann-Pick. Thanks for watching. So today we learned about Niemann-Pick causes, symptoms and how it affects the body. If you found this video helpful and learned something, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel Human Health and for more health insights. Share this video with your friends and family. If you have any queries or questions, drop a comment. I would love to hear from you. Don't miss my next video. Until then, stay informed and take care of your health. Thank you.